and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 99 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful cyborg. So let's have a scoot through this week's magazine and see what we're up to. What will the future hold for ROBOCOP, it says there. That's the history of ROBOCOP section. Data file there, good things come to those that wait. Here we got our step-by-step assembly instructions. We got the face section, back of the hand, and some additional parts of the weapon there. So we'll need all the bits from the previous issues. Shows you how you press the face into place, then drop his helmet back on. Build up the spare hand so that you've got the ability to do your data transfer. And then this is what we're going to look like when we're completed today, folks. Then you got 100 Years of Robots there. This is all about the ChatGPT and AI stuff that's going on now. Cutting edge of technology, a new era of electronics. All chips and stuff like that. And how everything has evolved over the years and the big rise of companies like Nvidia and stuff like that. Microchips of the future. So there's a hell of a lot of stuff that's going to be happening in the future, folks. So there you go. That's that magazine done. So we'll put that to one side, and when we come back, we'll do a bit of assembly for you. Okay. All right. So this is 99. So let's get the old knifey pops of opening. It's actually not bad job they've done on that. Right. Let's have a quick look at the old instructions and see what it is we're doing. Right, we're going to be doing the gun, okay? So we're going to be pressing that on the side there. It snaps together with a pair of pins, it says there. So we'll do that. So let's grab our gunnage. Drop the slider in like so. Spin the gun around. And then press fit that in place. Like that. Make sure we're in front of that. Pull that back up a tad. There you go. That's what we want. And then we can just press that in situ. So that's that done. Happy with that. And then we want to press fit these two halves together as well. Just like so. And then that's going to go straight inside the mag as well. So let's just get rid of that nub. And there we go. Pop that in place. Like so. Okay, that's that done. So that will just stand on the base, which is just to one side there. You can see RoboFoot. We then want to pop his face in situ. We got our jaw in place, and this square just presses in here, like so. Okay. So that's what we want to do. So let's just pop his jaw off. And just give that a goodly press. And it is literally just a press fit. Got kind of a weird jelly feel about it. It does feel a little bit creepy if I'm honest. Then we can put the jawbone back in. Like so. And then when that goes on, that should then bring the face all into situ like so. That's what we want. Like that. So that's his face in. Now, that's all well and good, but if you notice, when you take his helmet back off, you've only got half an head. So I've gone out and I bought another face, and I've started to paint it. It's very early stages, but that will replace that face, and then I can run all the pipe work around it and things like that. So we'll be modifying it and attaching that. But for now, we'll go with what the Partwork has given us just to close off this series, okay? So that's that sorted. Like that. That's better. Just closes that off a little bit. Right. So that's Robocop's face done. We can now stand him back on his base. And then we'll come back and we'll finish the hand off, okay? Right, that's his face done. We'll now get on and sort this back of this hand out, okay? So let's grab that, and that. Put the knuckles in, like so. And they just go in under there. Like so. We then want this piece to come over at the top. Like that. And then we want WM screws. So let's grab those. A little bit of oil on there. And we'll pop that in there like that. Grab that one. Pop that in there. Grab a little bit of oil first. Like so. And then we want a pair of AM screws. Let's grab one of those. Like that. Pop the back of the hand on. Pop that in there like so. Grab a bit of oil. Slap me on there. And that is that finished. So we've got the gun, we got that, and we've got a Robocop himself all sorted, folks. So, don't forget, folks, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this 1/3 scale Partwork. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can just give little Fester a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Whilst you're there, ring the bell, select all to get notified of upcoming content. Remember to thumbs up, like, hype and do all the business with the video so that people come and see me. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.